Who wears beads and why? Babies and children. When a baby is born, small beads are tied around the waist and wrist. These beads are for protection and beauty. They are often blessed by elders. The colors used may depend on the baby's destiny or the family's tradition. For girls and women, beads are part of being graceful, feminine, and proud. Waist beads called Ànìké are worn under the clothes. They are private. Only the woman or her husband sees them. Some say these beads help a woman understand her body and keep her shape. Women also wear beads on the neck, ankles, and wrists during ceremonies. For traditional weddings, the bride is often covered in coral beads from head to toe. It shows beauty, dignity, and wealth. In Yoruba land, kings and chiefs wear beads as a sign of authority. These are not ordinary beads. They are large, coral, and sacred. Only people with royal blood or high titles are allowed to wear them.